Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install MS Office 2024 step-by-step process. So first what we'll do, we'll go to search bar, we'll type Office Deployment Tool. We'll open this one, we'll click on the first link. Then we are going to download this file. The file is downloaded, just go to the download folder. From here, cut the file, go to C drive. Here we need to create a new folder and we need to name it Office 2024. Then in this we are going to paste this. Now we need to extract this. So we'll run as administrator. We need to accept the terms and condition, then continue. From here we need to select the location where we need to extract the file. So we'll go to Office 2024, then OK. As you can see, the file is fully extracted. Now what we need to do, we need to open one new link. All this link you can find in the description. From there you can use it. So from this we need to go down. We need to copy this XML file. After that we need to open one text document. In that we are going to paste this. As you can see, there are multiple options available like Office, Vision Pro, Project Pro. We only need Office. So what we'll do, we'll select from here and we'll delete this. Then again we'll go to the browser. In this we'll go down. From here we'll copy the product key. Again go to the text document. We'll select this and here we'll paste it. Now what we are going to do, we'll save this file in the same location of Office 2024 which we have created in C drive. We need to name it as configuration.xml. Save it. Close this one. Now you can go to the folder and check it's available here, .xml file. Now after that, what we need to do, we need to open our command prompt. You can type cmd, it will show up. Now you can click on run as administrator. So here what you need to type, cd/enter. Then you need to type cd, the folder name which you have created, that is Office 2024. Again enter. After this, again you need to go to the browser. You will go up. From here you can see the setup file. You need to copy this. Then you need to go to the command prompt, paste it, then enter. Now you can see your Microsoft is started downloading. You can see our MS Office has started downloading. It will take some time, as it will totally depend upon your internet speed, how much time it will take. So we'll wait for them, then I'll show you how to activate this. So finally our download is finished. It took 10 minutes in my case. So we'll close it. Now we will go here, we'll open any MS file. I will go open Excel. After that we'll go to account. As you can see, our Office is not activated yet. This is asking for product key. So what we'll do, we'll go to our browser again. From here we'll go down. Second one. Here we'll copy this code. We'll go to Excel file. Click change product key. Here we'll paste it and then activate Office. Getting Office ready, and now you can see our product is activated. We can use